take charge of the services implementation in my city to the best of my abilities and throughout my term as mayor. I will work with PSP, DILG, and financial service providers to ensure orderly and smooth transactions among residents and visitors in my city. I seal this pledge in the presence of our guests and speakers this 18th day of November 2020.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have just heard our leaders.
Representatives from the public and private sector, including local government units, the Department of Interior and Local Government, and the Banko Sentral ng Pilipinas, gathered together to pledge their support to the expansion of the country's digital payment ecosystem during the One with the Nation conference organized by Gcash on Friday, November 18. Now with 71 million registered users, Gcash aims to bring crucial insights into the future of digital financial services to foster economic growth.
We understand that even more that we need to work with the public sector, more especially the LGUs, to really help Filipinos understand better what's the relevance, what's the significance of owning a financial account, and how fintech such as Gcash can really help them not just become more resilient during these times, but even help them grow their businesses or even their personal finances.
Once a customer is eligible, all he or she must do is click the product icon.
Its lending arm, Fuse Lending, also discussed how they are able to provide a reliable lifeline to those in need through their loan programs.
Our goal is to provide our countrymen the opportunity to avail of loans that are not only accessible, but more importantly, are fair and transparent.
Among the main highlights of the forum was the discussion of the regional implementation of the 𝗚𝗀𝗵𝗀 program in the different localities. To recall, the program was jointly developed by the BSP and the DILG through a joint circular signed on June 21, 2022, enjoining LGUs to promote cashless payments in public markets and local transportation, particularly tricycles.
LGUs are expected to create policies to incentivize in the use of the QR/PH code digital payments. Okay? Through information dissemination and promotion, we hope that many local government units in the country would embark towards digitalizing of payments.
Yung banknotes natin, yung physical cash, mayroon siyang bacteria, virus, and other contaminants. So from one person to the other, ay mag-spread yun. Yan na yung reason, that's why we do the polymer. Kasi si polymer, yung bagong first polymer piso natin, can be sanitized. So pwede mo siyang malagyan ng mga alcohol, pwede mo siyang ma-clean. Pero si digital, 100%, wala ka ng touch sa pera. So it's more convenient, health, and safety.
Baguio City was the first LGU to implement the 𝗚𝗀𝗵𝗀 program, and other government units have already followed suit, such as Tagbilaran City in the province of Bohol.
We see to it that there is a reliable internet and data connectivity in the city, particularly public markets and terminals. We also encourage all financial service providers to participate in the program.
Saya ako pamasada tungod sa Gcash, kaya dili naman ko manuklik ang ilang titi, ato naman ibayad sa akong Gcash account o kuwaran sila dito sa QR code.
Paspas sa among transaksyon o paspas din ang among pamaligya.